Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive 11.4.7.2 aerial perspective video. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
Had a harder time on the roundabouts today. There you go. I mean, it did. It wanted to change lanes a couple times, but it didn't.
I was just trying to focus on being smooth on the sticks.
It was like perfect timing, the end of that song, hitting a red light. Favorite time of year in this area with the trees changing.
Oh, for sure.
Here we go. Wow, it's throwing turn signals quite a bit today. I'm so used to looking at the big screen for my turn signals and everything.
Oh, I know. It's kind of hard looking at the smaller screen if you're not used to it.
Yeah. I'm like, where is it? I can't see.
Thanks for doing this, though.
Oh, no worries. It's just funny. Doing okay?
Yeah. I'm keeping up with you. I'd let you know if I wasn't.
Okay. Hey, tell me to ask.
I'm trying to get smooth, artsy turns.
I think I am going to let it get over so that I don't have to disengage it for that
Yeah,
weird...
no worries.
Open house.
It's that time of year.
Right before the holidays. Good. Get over. Nice job.
It gave way for the cyclist there.
I
couldn't see from my screen what was going on. I was like, what's
I did have to push it a little bit to like maintain a proper speed.
Sure.
But no. That was actually got over.
Yeah.
Now, if only we'd do that for a mail truck.
Baby steps. Baby steps.
Beautiful road with trees.
Mm-hmm. Nice time of year. Got all the colors there. Red,
a little bit of green,
a little bit of green, a
some
little bit of
yellow,
yellow.
some
Yeah,
orange.
that's super pretty.
Those are still kind of brown.
Yeah.
I remember asking my mom one time when I was little, I was like, how did they know when? And like,
It's cold.
and I was like, but how did they know? Like, and she said it was in their genes. She said it's kind of like when the birds know to leave. And I was like, that was when I started thinking that trees were alive.
Was that right around the time Pocahontas came out?
That was before then, because we were still living in Georgia. Boy, it's like in its turn signals today.
At least it's not acting on it.
It's throwing them, but it's not doing it. It was very squirrely in the roundabout, though.
I'll give you that. Not like old school days, but a little squirrelier than we're used to. Kind of like a little squirrelier there than we're used to.
Fixed itself.
It did fix it, but it was a little squirrelier.
I didn't disengage. I didn't touch. It fixed itself. You got these right?
Yeah, I'm seeing them.
Yeah, a little squirrely.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, that's way too early.
Yeah, wrong entrance. That's not a disengagement on FSD's part. That's just a disengagement on our navigation's part. Actually, no, it was navigating to the right spot. Never mind. I looked up when I said that.
It was wanting to try and drive the entire...
Never mind. Well, it is a little bitchy today, isn't it?
Wow.
Well, if you're on liking the content, there'll probably be more of this. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.